I'm excited because this is a scenic tour through the mountains, all the way from where we're at, Georgia, to Tennessee. We showed you Brightline in sunny Florida, and now we're going to show you this scenic mountain tour. It should be great. Stay tuned.
Trip that takes you Tennessee and then North Georgia border.
Basically, it has like a 2-hour layover in Tennessee, so you can wander around,
get some lunch or something, and then come back. Check out the gift shop.
You have a good day.
Well, it's not the best day for an adventure, but we're going to be covered. Different types of trains in the fall. You can see all the foliage. There's a Holiday Express. It's all lit up with lights, kind of like Polar Express, I guess, for kids. There's also dinner train. I might have to do that one of these nights. So this is what it looks like.
We're here, and this is the open box. We're gonna try to go venture around later. I'm gonna show you the concession card. I'm gonna show you the bathrooms.
And there's two views. This way is the river, and you see the river down below, and that way is the mountains. I've driven down the river before when I go to Tennessee, so it's gonna be interesting to see it from this angle. It's not as full as we thought it was gonna be. The concession cart is like the next one down, and there's more down that way.
I'll be telling you about some points of interest along the way, a little bit of railroad trivia, some history, and a lot of really bad jokes.
You can't get any more gorgeous than that.
It's a nice, perfect weather. It's...
My allergies are acting up a little bit, but that's okay. Stop.
Did you take your stuff?
No, I forgot to.
It's okay.
I got my drops I'm about to put in my eyes. It's the pollen, that's what it is, because I can feel it.
Yeah. Well,
See to cover with it, it's everywhere.
this is the cool part though. This whole thing is open. So literally everything you see out there is no windows. Look. See? So here we are. What's the name of this little town?
Copper Town.
So Ruth is going to look at the map, see what we're going to get for lunch.
So we're right here.
Food and drinks.
Why don't we go to somewhere on this side? The IGA grocery right there. So we're right here.
So the Tennessee line is on the other
Walk
side.
that way.
Oh my God. I know exactly what this is. I drive through here every time I go to Tennessee.
Okay, so then you know you're around.
I know, I just drive through it. Yeah. You want Cuban?
I don't care.
So this is funny because I've driven through here a bunch of times and I've always wanted this Cuban place to be open so I can get some coffee. And that's when I go to Tennessee.
Well, there you go.
So I've gone by this place a million times when I go to Tennessee to work.
And it's probably open. It's probably open.
It doesn't look open, but I didn't stop because I last time I came was like 6:30 in the morning, 7. But
And I bet you they're open then too.
I wanted this. This is my coffee that I miss so much. And I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I love this. This is the cortadito or colada or a cafecito. But I get the colada because it's a lot. So what do we have here? Oh, and I'm taking this home. So we have a medianoche, which is like a Cuban sandwich except made with the sweet bread. And we have some other goodies.
That was good.
Yeah, she finished my coffee. It's okay. Only because it's her. So,
We would definitely recommend this place. The food was amazing.
here's segundo bread, which is the best bread from
In
Tampa. I haven't had real Cuban bread since Tampa, so
You know,
this is good. That's why we chose this.
haven't had good real coffee.
But I know now I bought a coffee maker and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So in case you guys don't know, this is what I had right there. This is what I normally get. Then you have the regular coffee, café con leche. The cortadito is like this with milk, or chocolate, iced coffee, so on and so forth. That's a good chart. So if you guys are up here, definitely check this place out. And that is true. Authentic is definitely true.
Here we are again, 2 places at once.
So go over there. I just kicked her out to Tennessee.
That is so wrong. That's so wrong.
And I'm in Georgia.
Now I'm in 2 places. Ha ha.
So am I.
Hold on, stay right there. Let me take a picture.
Everybody has those chains. Wow. So we're here at Copperhill. Is that Tennessee or Georgia? Tennessee.
Tennessee.
So anyways, we're gonna go to this brewery. Check it out. This right on the state line, and we're gonna go to try some beer. So I have a blonde IPA, which is really good, and the Ruthless has guava seltzer, which is really good too. So how is that? Sorry for the loud music.
It's very, very good. It tastes refreshing. It's actually refreshing. Do they make this here, Adrian?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So I guess every time I go to, well, I don't know if they make it here.
It's a cute little place. So if you guys are ever in the area or passing through, stop by and support local businesses.
Copperhill Brewery.
Copperhill Brewery.
There's a gift shop right on the train. Got little train sets. This is the cashier area.
Hello, Adrian.
Hello, Adrian.
Okay, move. We're gonna go to the bathroom. So here is the restroom. I'm gonna hold the door. I'm not going to it. Little sink, Febreze. I mean, you know what? So really, it's not bad. This is how small it is. Oh, you guys know I'm a big girl. So has a little sink, has paper towels, sanitizer to wash your hands. So here it is. Who's eating, boy?
Hey, Rufus.
Yeah.
So how'd you like so loud, Copperhill and Georgia, and two places at once again? But you're always in Georgia and somewhere else.
Yep. Sure seems that way.
You gotta do Georgia, Florida, Georgia, Alabama. And then that way you got all Georgia covered, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how'd you like this little town?
It's a cute little town.
So let me ask you this. Was this train thing worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it.
I thought it was more. I think this is the coolest part of this whole thing. That we can do this right here. We can hang out, see the train all the way down there.